Starting out in 1978 as Dongmyung Machinery, Dongmyung Vibro successfully commercialized its vibration motors with its own technology in 1998 and was selected as a Premium Korea core company by Herald Economy. It also acquired an ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificate in 2014, and it was recognized as a safe business during the risk assessment of KOSHA. We also acquired multiple CE certificates for exporting products to the EU in 2017. In 2018, we acquired certificates such as Environmental Management System, Material and Component Specialist, and Main Biz. In 2019, too, our excellent performance has been recognized by a citation from the Minister of SMEs and Startups, as well as Export Contribution Citation on Exporters' Day. We are the official military service partner of the Military Manpower Administration as of 2020. And we keep advancing under the vision of trusted company with top-notch technologies. Dongmyung Vibro boasts of a stable management structure thanks to decades of know-how and superior technical capabilities. We also provide reliable, responsible customer service and respond quickly to any unexpected issues of customers. Our quotes are competitive since there are no price bubbles, and we select only quality materials to ensure durability. We always challenge ourselves to realize new values for customers. Especially small and large vibrators are applied with our proprietary grease cover and snap rings, as well as anti-dust cover for excellent durability. Such enables us to have the biggest market share in Korea for large rotary vibrators. The vibration machines of Dongmyung Vibro are more durable and robust than competitors, thanks to solid manufacturing infrastructure. We are a reliable global supplier whose products are being exported to markets such as the US, Russia, Vietnam, India, Saudi Arabia, Thailand, Turkey, and China. Specifically for the Southeast Asian market, characterized by frequent and long rainy seasons, our constant R&D resulted in the imminent launch of the W line, a waterproof motor. Quality vibration machines with the outstanding vibration motor of Dongmyung Vibro are preferred by global buyers as well as local ones. Vibrating screen for maximum efficiency of particle screening of all materials, including sand, chemical stock, and aggregate. And the vibrating feeder of Dongmyung Vibro, characterized by maximum optimal efficiency of short transport of large quantity, are offered with tailored production, including support type or hanger type, depending on the customer's environment. The vibrating table applicable to purposes such as tests of filling, vibration, and bubbles features a simple structure for ease of installation, moving, and maintenance. The round screener, capable of multi-level screening depending on the material type and input size, can be provided as dry or wet type, with washing made easy. The net can be selected as bolting or molding type depending on the purpose, and the package, including hopper and feeder, can be set up according to the site conditions and space restrictions of the customer. Bin activator for discharging materials with connection to a large tank. Spiral feeder with minimal footprint enables simultaneous transportation, drying, and cooling of large quantity of materials. We also offer diverse vibration motors including electrical, air, and electronic types. The era of the fourth industrial revolution that changes on a daily basis. Dongmyung Vibro advances to the top tier of the global vibrator market. Dongmyung Vibro will always stand by the customer to pave the way to a prosperous future.